Installation instructions for the underground fiber distribution hub, brought to you by Hexatronic US. Begin by removing the outer sheath using the embedded ripcord or a thick-walled duct knife. Next, place the mounting bracket 4 inches from the base of the vault lid. Mark the location of the mounting holes. Use a level to make sure the arm is straight. Using a 3/8 bit, drill out the marked locations. Insert supplied anchors. Use rubber mallet to tap in. Now install bracket with the 10 bolts using a 1/2 inch socket. Insert spring washers at the desired height. Bolt the provided mounting bracket to the swing arm. Place the FDH into the bracket and secure base with supplied cotter pins. Lastly, all incoming microduct routes need a 7 to 5 mm reduction connector to connect to the FDH tails. Before putting on the connectors, make sure there is a clean 90-degree cut at the end of the duct. Match each of the colors and group by route. Ducts should be organized to have sweeping turns and no kinks. Only remove 5 mm stops if there is an incoming route to connect to. Leave end stops on tails that are not in use. To lower FDH, lift up on the swing arm and lower into vault.